How to make your own wax at home. It's going to be a very in-depth tutorial, so save it, favorite it, and pay attention. You're going to need 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You're going to mix all those 3 items in a medium-sized pot on medium-high, and you're just going to keep stirring until your mixture is done. I recommend using a medium-sized pot because that's what I used, and because the pot sizes also affects the cooking time. This mixture specifically took me 5 minutes, but last time, this pot, it took me 10 minutes to get the perfect wax. Whereas again, this one only took me 5 minutes because it has a wider bottom compared to the first one. So now I'm going to show you how to test your wax so that you know that it's ready no matter what pot you use. So how do you know that your wax is ready? You're going to take a bowl of cold water, put some ice in it. You're going to dip a spoon of your wax in that water. What the cold water does is that it speeds up the cooling process of the wax. And it's when your wax is cooled down that you see the true consistency. So what you want is for your sugar to sink immediately at the bottom and be able to pick it up. And you want it to be hard enough to form a ball and soft enough to manipulate it. And that is how you know your wax is ready. So once your wax cools down, you want to pour it in like a glass jar to preserve it. And that's that. Now I'm going to teach you how to correctly apply your wax. So my hair on this arm grows diagonally. And when you're applying your wax, you want to apply it in the opposite direction of your hair growth, but then remove it in its natural direction. So let me show you what I mean. First, I'm applying some powder to remove any oils or moisture from my skin. Now I'm applying the wax in the opposite direction of my hair growth. I'm gonna use the strip and really press that in that opposite direction, but then remove it in the direction of your hair growth. I hope that made sense. It's super easy. Once you get that, you'll be able to wax anything. If you have any remaining wax on your skin, just use the wax strip and it will take all that right off. When you're done waxing, this is where you want to use your aloe or serums to cool down your skin so that your skin doesn't get irritated. And when you're done with your wax, you can seal it and store it in your fridge. And yeah, that's about it.